Finding money on the ground, is it a sign of abundance? Have you ever found money on the ground and thought to yourself, is this a sign of abundance? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the idea of finding money as a sign of abundance and how it can help manifest your desires. 1. Angels and spirits reminding you that you're worth more than you think. It's not surprising that angels and spirits could be sending us a reminder that we're worth more than we think. Finding money on the ground could be a sign from our spiritual guides that we are valuable and worthy of abundance. It can be an encouraging reminder that our efforts are being recognized and supported by the universe. 2. A clear sign of approval and support from the universe. When you find money on the ground, it's a clear sign that the universe is looking out for you and approving of your actions. Angels and spirits are reminding you that you are worth more than you think, and are rewarding you for it. Finding money in public areas is also a representation of worldly wealth, symbolizing value, abundance, and good luck. It can also be a reminder of deceased loved ones or a sign of your manifestation efforts attracting money to you. Ultimately, finding money on the ground has a unique spiritual meaning for each person, as it's a reminder that we are never alone. Our guiding angels and ancestors are conveying a message to us. 3. Representation of worldly wealth. The finding of money on the ground can often be seen as a representation of worldly wealth, and for many cultures, it can be seen as a sign of abundance and good luck. Money is often thought to be a symbol of value, and it is believed that the discovery of money on the ground can be a reminder that we are worth more than we think. For some, it could also be a sign of approval and support from the universe or a message from angels, spirit guides, or deceased loved ones. Manifestation efforts could also be attracting money, which may mean that the universe is showing its support with this gesture. Ultimately, each person will have their own unique spiritual meaning when they find money on the ground. 4. Symbol of value, abundance, and good luck. The spiritual meaning of finding money is generally connected to value, abundance, and good luck. Money is a symbol of value, and when money starts appearing in unexpected places, it's an indication that you live in abundance and wealth is within your reach. Money symbolizes good luck and opportunities. Hence, you should take it as a sign that the universe is sending you a message that it's time to close the door to the past to make way for more positivity and prosperity. Collecting Chinese coins is believed to be a symbol of good luck and positivity. Because these were used as a currency in ancient China, many believe that collecting them can bring about more wealth and abundance into their lives. 5. Wealth and abundance. Finding money on the ground is often seen as a sign of good luck and abundance, a reminder that there is always room for growth and that wealth is within our reach. It's been known to symbolize material wealth and abundance, as well as humility and charity. The design of the $5 bill itself can be seen as an auspicious sign, suggesting that good things are coming our way and that we should never give up on our dreams. Additionally, it can be a sign of vibrational alignment with the universe, an indication that we are valued and should stay positive. 6. Reminder of deceased loved ones. For many people, finding money on the ground can be a sign of a deceased loved one who is still with them. This sign can be a reminder of the love and support from the deceased, and the reminder that they are not truly gone. It can also be a sign that, even in death, their support and love for us continues and that we are still valued and appreciated. Finding money on the ground can be a way for our loved ones to send us signs of comfort, assurance, and peace during this difficult time. 7. Manifestation efforts attracting money. The previous section discussed how finding money on the ground can be a sign of approval or support from the universe. Another interpretation is that it could be a result of your manifestation efforts. Manifestation is the process of bringing something into your life by focusing on it and believing it will come to fruition. It could be that sign of the universe's way of showing you that your manifestation efforts are paying off and that you should continue believing in yourself and what you've been trying to achieve. 8. Guiding angels, spirit guides and ancestors conveying a message. Be prepared when guardian angels send you messages. People see the angel number 8 as a sign of good fortune. It represents wealth and abundance. A spirit guide can appear as an angel, animal, mythical creature, ancestor, ancient god or goddess, otherworldly entity, or interdimensional being. The power of this bird as totem and spirit guide is to provide insight and means for manifestation efforts to attract money. It could also be a sign of approval and support from the universe that you are worth more than you think. Perhaps your deceased loved ones are trying to remind you that you are valued and deserve abundance. Whatever the spiritual meaning of finding money on the ground is for you, it is a reminder that the universe has your back and is always looking out for you. 9. Unique spiritual meaning for each person. Every individual will receive a unique spiritual meaning from finding money on the ground. Some may view it as a sign of angels and spirits reminding them that they are worth more than they think, while others use it as a symbol of approval and support from the universe. For some, it may represent worldly wealth, and for others, it could be a reminder of deceased loved ones. It could also be a sign that your manifestation efforts are attracting money to you, or that your guiding angels, spirit guides, and ancestors are conveying a message. Whatever the spiritual message is for you, take the time to reflect on what it could mean. 10. What is the spiritual meaning of finding money on the ground? The spiritual meaning of finding money on the ground can be complex, but ultimately it is a sign of value, abundance, and good luck. It is a reminder that we are supported by the universe and our angels and spirit guides. It is also a representation of worldly wealth that can manifest when we put in the effort. Furthermore, it may even be a sign from deceased loved ones that they are still with us in spirit. Ultimately, the unique spiritual meaning for each person is up to interpretation, but it is clear that finding money on the ground is a sign of abundance and good fortune. Stay positive and believe in yourself.